With AI transforming how companies work, data teams are being pushed to make chat with your data accurate and reliable. But today's AI tools can't deliver that on their own. They're missing the critical business context needed to truly understand what the data means. That's where Solid comes in. Solid learns from the tools you already use, your warehouses, BI dashboards, dbt code, tickets, even team conversations, to capture the real meaning behind your data. It then automatically creates and maintains a living semantic layer for your business, building the semantic models and documentation AI needs to deliver answers that are fast, accurate, and trustworthy. And because Solid's semantic layer is platform agnostic, any AI your teams use, like Snowflake Cortex, Databricks, or even ChatGPT, becomes dramatically more reliable. No complexity, no manual modeling, just clarity. With Solid, true data democratization is finally within reach. Let's show you what's possible when your data finally speaks your language.